Hi, Mike. How's it going?
Hey John, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Just came back from the gym. Do you go to the gym?
Yeah, I try to go a few times a week. What do you usually do at the gym?
Mostly I do some stretching, push-ups, and a bit of cardio. What about you?
I like to lift weights. It helps me stay strong. But I also do some running to keep my stamina up.
That's great. I need to work on my stamina too. Running isn't my favorite though.
I know what you mean. It can be tough to get into the habit, but once you start, it gets easier.
True. Do you follow any special diet with your workout?
I try to eat healthy. Lots of protein, like chicken and fish, and I avoid too much junk food. How about you?
I eat pretty healthy too. I love fruits and vegetables, and I drink a lot of water.
That's good. Staying hydrated is important, especially when you work out a lot.
Absolutely. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much, just relaxing. Maybe I'll go for a hike if the weather is nice. How about you?
That sounds fun. I'm thinking of starting a new book or maybe watching a movie. Any recommendations?
I recently watched a movie called The Pursuit of Happiness. It's really inspiring. You should check it out.
I've heard of that one. I'll definitely watch it. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. If you like reading, I just finished a book called The Alchemist. It's a great story about following your dreams.
That sounds interesting. I'll add it to my list. Thanks, Mike.
Anytime, John. It was good catching up with you.
Yeah, it was. Take care and have a good weekend.
You too, John. See you around.